Here is what most brands still don't understand. Gen Z didn't leave Google. They changed the rules of how search works. Today's users aren't searching in fragments. They are searching in context. Not meal prep ideas, but questions like, what's a realistic weekly meal plan that actually fits a demanding work schedule? This shift is powered by AI search, and it's creating demand traditional ASEO simply can't interpret. With AI answering complex questions for billions of people, consumers are exploring more, researching deeper, and comparing smarter than ever before. Unisearch gives your business the intelligence to understand and optimize for this new search reality. It aligns your content with conversational intent, emerging queries, and real decision-making behavior, so your brand becomes the trusted answer. If search has evolved, your marketing must evolve with it. Future-proof your discoverability with Unisearch. Visit unisearch.io today.